Are you looking to burn fat and speed up your metabolism? Look no further than this homemade oatmeal drink. It's simple to make and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. To make this drink, start by adding oat flakes to a bowl. Then, add water and mix well. Oats are a super healthy ingredient that contains lots of fiber, protein, and essential minerals. These nutrients help improve digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Let the oats soak for 30 minutes, then transfer them to a blender. Add milk to the blender along with a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing because it can speed up your metabolism and help burn fat faster. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings. Blend everything together until you have a smooth drink. Drink this beverage every morning at breakfast for 10 days straight. Not only will it give you the energy you need for your day, but it will also promote healthy weight loss. So why wait? Start your morning off right with this delicious and nutritious oatmeal drink.
Delicious breakfast? Try our high-protein oats smoothie recipe for a boost of energy and nutrients. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a satisfying and healthy breakfast option that will keep you full and focused until lunchtime. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of oats, 2 dates, 1 banana, pinch of cinnamon, 1 glass of milk. Oats are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber. Dates add natural sweetness to the smoothie without the need for added sugars. Bananas are not only delicious but also provide a good dose of potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. A pinch of cinnamon adds warmth and flavor to the smoothie while providing additional health benefits. Simply blend all the ingredients together until smooth, pour into a glass, and enjoy. This high-protein oat smoothie is the perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes like this one.
Quit smoking. Refresh and revitalize with lemon and ginger water. Start your mornings on a healthy note by enjoying a refreshing glass of lemon and ginger water. This simple recipe can help you burn fat naturally and kickstart your day with a boost of energy. To make this invigorating drink, grate some fresh ginger, known for its digestion-boosting properties and immune system support. Place a tablespoon of grated ginger in a heat-resistant container and pour hot water over it to release its beneficial properties. Stir well. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the water. Lemon acts as a natural detoxifier and helps balance your body's pH levels. Allow the mixture to infuse for about 5 minutes to enhance the flavors. For a refreshing touch, add a few ice cubes to cool the drink. Pour the revitalizing lemon and ginger water into a glass and savor its invigorating taste. Start your day right by enjoying this revitalizing drink on an empty stomach in the morning. It can aid in weight loss and reduce bloating, providing a natural sweetness to your routine. Feel free to add a touch of honey for added flavor if desired. Subscribe now to stay updated on more health and wellness tips. Don't miss out. Follow us for more updates.